Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to change default apps on your Samsung phone. So what you want to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll and find apps. Tap on that. And then at the top of the apps page, you should see choose default apps. And then now you have different categories of apps. So for instance, if you want to choose a default browser app, you can tap on that and you can switch maybe from Chrome to Samsung Internet or from Samsung Internet to Chrome. Okay, so whatever you want as your default browser, just select it. And then you can go back and then go to another category, maybe like SMS app. You can choose between Google Messages and the default Samsung Messages app. So it mainly depends on how many apps you have installed in a certain category. But that's basically how to choose default apps on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.